I'm just trying to do the right, you know. I know that I have made mistakes in the past, but I don't want to be used against me. All I want to do is just to stay on the right path. So
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Blessed love and greetings, all our viewers and subscribers, kings and queen, lion and lioness. I hope all is blessed and as usual. I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. When some viewers and subscribers, I hope this everything great, you know. I pray God to guide and protect you and watch over you and your loved ones, you know, wherever you are in the world. You know what I mean? Guide you during and going out and coming in. So me I say, yeah man, motivate you and keep you uplifted and spirited when you're ups and downs. You see me I say, my viewers and subscribers, we have a very compelling, emotional video for sure, you know. I mean, I have so much respect for that brother. So much respect for that brother. Last night I watch it, big up the star, Zane. Big up the Gleaner, big up the Observer. Because I know we, in the first world country, we have to go on those media entities, you know what I mean, platforms to keep up to date to what go on in Jamaica and the rest of the world. You see what I say? Yeah man, so my viewers and subscribers, I root your star. Tribulation reach him. Depression down. You see what I say? And I watched it last night and I'm not telling a lie. It made me feel so emotional again, like I want to cry. Hey, I love crying, you know. When I cry, I feel like say I'm there next to the Most High. All of my problems get washed up and dry. Yeah man. I know from 2018 when I came out and announced my depression battles. See? And many people might think like a music make me depressed. No. Even my very dear mother used to think that. I don't know if she still think that, but other music are just hard life, and when I look back how you try, you know, so many things and your struggle is like you're not reach. You see me? Because you have a clean heart and a pure mind and just want to do good and help people. You see me? It's like, you know, sometimes you know, it's like you feel like you're not achieving enough in life, and that's how I feel more time. You see me? Yes man, so you know, we keep the thing real, you know. You see my viewers and subscribers, and being depressed is not a crime, but that youth here, I have utmost respect for him. Because when I see the video that go viral, you know, and you say, I want a job, him, why? Everything you try now work. You see me? And I feel good last night for when I see the video. This them interview and the youth race chicken. See? My viewers and subscribers. Watch that local thing I want to do. As a matter of fact, no. But here what the youth are say.
Social media. Can you tell us why you decided to go to social media with that video?
I was frustrated. I was giving up. It was like I was on the verge, and I did not went to the media, like social media itself. What I did was to post the video within my WhatsApp contact. Cause you know, like for example, you have your friends and you're like saying you go to a field, so you just reach out to them to explain to them that's what happened. So I did not go to the big media. I posted to my friends, and one of my friends passed it on to the big media, which I am grateful for.
Okay, so give us some more information. What was it that you were going through at the time?
Alright, so you know, specifically work. Everywhere I go for work, they're saying that I don't have any experience, I don't have any qualification. If I do get a work, it's like they're trying to use me, like pay me like 500 a day or something like that. So I'm like, come on, I'm just trying to do the right, you know. I know that I have made mistakes in the past, but I don't want to be used against me. All I want to do is just to stay on the right path. So I was there seeking for work, trying for work, going out there looking it, and I'm not getting through with no help. It's just being negative. I just got frustrated at that point because I know persons out there who are doing a lot of wrong things and they are being successful at it. So why me, who's trying to do the right, is having it so hard? So I just got really fed up.
Okay, so that specific day, where were you coming from, and what were you doing, or where were you seeking a job from?
Alright, so that specific day I was coming from Super Errand. It's a company that do delivery. So the day before that was the Monday. I got the job at the Monday. The first day on the job I had problems with the police in terms of the bike and me not having a learner. So they gave me a chance. On the second day, I was coming from home with the bike, carrying back the bike to work because I was able to ride the bike home the evening. So while going back to Montego Bay with the bike started to smoke, started to catch fire. I was like, what is this? So I called the boss. He told me that, all right, they're going to come for the bike. They came for the bike and they told me that I would have to stay out for a couple of days before anything happened. So here I was now, frustrated. I didn't have any fear to come back home, any money. I'm broke and I'm like, what is happening? Why every work I get there's some issue? Prior to that, I went to a call center and they had some issues with their technical team, so I had to stay out of that job also until that was resolved. So I'm like, come on, everywhere I turn there's some issue with the work, or what is it, me as the person, or what is it? So I really got frustrated and I'm like, come on, rent so due for pay. What me I go do? Me not have no money. Me no want to come to the landlord and tell her I say me not have no money. So I got frustrated. I was like, come on, man, what is it? I started to question myself. What is it I am doing? What is it that everything I try just keep on failing? So I just got really fed up.
Okay. You were a part of a mentorship program with NCU or the Seventh-day Adventist denomination.
The West Jamaica Conference.
Yes. Tell us when you joined that program.
I joined that last year about October, November.
Okay, what was the program all about?
It was mental. The program is all about reaching out to us as young people, helping us, guiding us along the right path. That's what the program is basically about. So persons would reach out to you, assist you like with counseling, etc.
So how did you hear about the program and join it?
Alright, so I'm a part of the Seventh-day Adventist denomination.
Which church do you attend?
I attend the Mount Care Seventh-day Adventist Church.
Okay.
I was born and raised in the Seventh-day Adventist Church by my father, who was a Seventh-day Adventist. So even though I kind of differ from the religion, the whole concept of Christ was still within me, because as the Bible says, train a child in the way that he should grow, that when he's old he will not depart from it. So even though I was out there and I was doing otherwise, I still had that inside of me telling me that Christ is still the answer. You can see here right now I have 100 chicken. I should have had 150 for the start. But due to the fact that everything happened so fast, I was lucky enough to get 100, because what happened is that you have to pre-order the chicken from like 2 days or 3 days before. So I was lucky enough to get 100. So coming Tuesday, hopefully I'll get another 150. As you can see right now, it's 100 there. I have feedings over there. I have 2.5 bags of feeding. So that's because what happened is that I can't have all of the feeding here at once because they will get stale. So I paid for the feeding, have them put down. So every time I need, I will just go there and collect.
Okay, so is it donations from persons that you've used for this project?
Yes, the first set of donation, this was it. And I told them that if I got the start, I would do it. So I keep my word, show them that here it is. So here's what I said I would do with the money. Right, so apart from the whole business aspect, I would love to go back to school. That's the main thing. So far I would have reached out to Northern Caribbean University, expressing my interest in joining their business admin along with my mentor, who's Mr. Alan Green, a host on the West Jamaica Conference platform. He is now guiding me along that line. So yeah, and when I grow up, what I want to be, I want to be a pastor or a counseling psychology, where I can counsel young youth out there who would have been through similar situation or would have gone through the rough just like me. Yeah, so that's basically the dream. Or overall, I want to be a businessman, successful businessman, a man who can reach out to other young people, help them back to school. That's the main plan, to be a successful businessman so I can reach out back to persons out there. Because many persons out there, they need a help just like this. And if it can happen for me, it can happen for many more. Because as I said, it isn't easy. But if we get the help as young people, I believe that we can move mountains. I am overjoyed. It's a wonderful feeling because I was at the verge of going like crazy. And so much persons called me, assisted. You guys have saved me from the prison, from death. And I really appreciate it very, very much. That persons out there still assisting persons. It's coming from my heart how grateful I am, people. Jamaica, the world at large, you have saved a next businessman. You have saved a future businessman right here. So yeah, I want to say a big thank you to the world at large, whether for the prayers, the financial, everything. It's really appreciated. Thank you very much. So if you could not send money and you send prayers, it was $1 million.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, Kings and Queen Lion and Lioness, welcome back. You see how the youth motivated and ambitious, and you can learn from them. There are many things we get from my video there, you know. Learning from your mistakes. You see me? Remember, we talked this on the platform already too, several times. The first time, poverty beat me, hungry, lick me, and no money, and my mother struggling. I see my friend them, I rob the drinks truck every day, and I make them money and them thing there. And me, first time me go follow me get catch and police beat me, Bobby Reds. And you see me? Butt up my chest with big fat matic and bring me to Hunts Bay station. And when my mother come for me, she give me a next dose and beat me on it. First time, I say I go try to touch the road, you know. Now that youth say I used to touch the road, he used to do things. He not talk what he used to do, but he say I used to do things and get in trouble and, you know. Grew up in a church and his parents them try to grow him good, him father, but badness and but him change him life. Everything him try to work, him try this, him try that, you know. People use him and I couldn't take it anymore. I must say, why him? You know, and questions and till somebody reach out to him and him get help. See him get help. You know, him get help. Now he's raising chicken and the man say you more to be a successful businessman. Zine. And this can be he wants to be a motivator, a motivational speaker for the young youths them, for sure them say, yo, there's a way out. Just have hopes and faith and keep trying. Like you're small, you work and hustle. Or if you do a work and I get like you're small, hold it till better come and just have a plan and an aim. Zine, yo, me have so much respect for that brother. Big up yourself, me G. You see me? Me not lie, me have so much respect for him. You know, I feel good to see him raise him chicken and he can be a start from chicken to something else. As I can see him have aims and plans, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so my viewers and subscribers, but I know how you feel, what kind of feeling you get from that video here, from the youth, how I talk, you see me? I know me I talk because I don't know. You see me, I and I been there and I'm still there. I'm still there in that. You know, more time my depression come down upon me and I just sit down and cry, Virgin. When them sit down in my house and cry. And you know, when my sister link me and I say, yo, people ask if me alright and them thing there. Me alright man, me good man. Trust me, me good man. You see me? I'm good, you see me? I just live life and let life be what Father God said to be. You know, me not stress or worry about nothing, but more time I just sit down and look back and say, John was start. Why me? Why me feel struggle so? You see me? Me alright still, you know. Financially, me alright. Not to that extent, but me good. Me satisfied with me have not much, but at least me can provide for my kids them and give them when me can give them as long as I'm satisfied with me give them. You see me, my mother, alright, yeah, my mother and you know whatever who me can help. You see me when me have it, but I tell us that more time the real people them struggle, you know. And one thing can change my life and the music. And I know Father God is going to help me one day. You see me, in the music. And when it comes, trust me. Yeah man, the blessings man, I'm going to help people. You see it? Yeah man, I'm going to help people man. I'm enough for myself. You see what I say? And that's why more time I just break down more time and cry. But yeah, watch a little freestyler from me, you know. I left with that saying. When I did down in the feeling depressed and low and I just sit down in my house and cry and do that video. You see me? Feel like crying. Watch what I go. Big up on yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell and share. Don't know a lion foot on. Oh, one chat and so soon I care. Hey, yeah? Alright. Look, come on. I feel like crying. Don't hold it, let it out. I feel like screaming. I feel like crying. Don't hold it, let it out. I feel like screaming. Fighting depression is like fighting oppression. Check my adrenaline, it's filled with aggression. Sometimes I feel like I am the happiest man in the universe. Sometimes I feel like I'm the fucking worst. Thanks for watching. Your support is highly appreciated. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you will always get that alert when I post a new content. And feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. Your thoughts and opinion I would like to know. Until then, stay safe. Gone. Walk good. I'm out. God bless you.